Have you seen enough, my friend?
Aye.
They're still too green. Hey, Josh. Where's Rangi when we need her?
Oh, she's off training with Tahi. Ah, my Portuguese, you are learning well.
Aye, it's ngahuru. We will be harvesting soon.
Ah. Mum will be hiding the chocolate eggs in our backyard by now. Remember the year you ate them all and had to go to the vet?
The stars of Matariki are gone from sight. There is much to be done.
Heaha? You're back? I help.
I've always been here, young Josh.
Eh? We looked everywhere for you.
When did you look?
After you went into the ana. Taihoa, did you go back to the ana to my time? Toro? Toro!
Yes, good thinking, Kura. You are doing well.
Done. Next one.
Don't you wonder where Toro's been?
Kohanga don't have to explain themselves.
But I know Toro's been through the cave portal. It's the only place the gorse flower could have come from.
I don't think you know that much about plants and flowers around here.
Ah! Why are we fixing these when we could have been trying to get through the portal and save the rohe?
Because it will be Matariki soon, silly.
Matariki? Oh, another holiday I'm going to miss.
Holiday?
It's like a fun day where everyone gets to, rest.
Everyone rests.
Yeah, sort of. I mean, on holidays, there's no kura, and you don't have to do any mahi. I've already missed Kirihimete, New Year's, Easter. I don't want to miss my mum's birthday too.
Christmas? Your mother's birthday?
Hi, my mother's birthday. You know, the day she was born.
That doesn't make sense. You're not there when your mother's born.
Ah,
Besides, you haven't missed the New Year. That's what all these hinaki are for.
but I have missed the New Year because we celebrate the New Year in summer.
The New Year only happens when Matariki rises.
Ah, come on, please, Rangi. Let's try the cave. We can finish this later.
Ka whai, me whakataitai taua.
Kia hora e Rangi. Tumataro, do the magic. Come on. Don't you want to see if your powers are strong enough to open the cave portal?
It's definitely not working. There's no way back to your kainga.
But I have to get back. It's my mother's birthday soon.
And save the rohe, right?
Just try one more time.
No, we have to get back to the village to help.
Nah, let's just go back. Hey, Te Ata.
Nau mai ngā hua o te rā. Nau mai ngā hua o te wā. Matariki, te whaea o ngā whetū. Pō hutu kawa, te kai kawe i ngā mate. Tupua nuku ngā hua o te whenua. Tupua rangi ngā hua o te rangi. Waiti ngā wai Māori. Waitā ngā waitai. Waipuna ā rangi, ngā wai o te rangi. Ururangi ngā hau o te rangi. Heiwa i te rangi, ngā hua o te tau. Nau mai ngā hua o te rā, nau mai ngā hua o te wā. Whānau, whāna, hara mai te toki. Haumi e, hui e, taiki e.
Tēnā koutou, piri mai.
Morena tātou. Matariki has been gone from our skies. And Tautoru rises before the sun. E ai ki ngā tohu o te taiao, a akuni a Matariki ka ara. Matariki brings us all together so that we have a chance to thank and honor the atua who have delivered us so much throughout the year. It's a time to reflect on those we've lost.
The umu kohukohu will feed the stars of Matariki.
Wait, what's an umukohukohu?
It's a time to send your big wish to Hiwa i te rangi.
A big wish?
Wait and see, Josh. Kura will prepare the kai to give to Waiti Waitā, Te Tupuanuku, and Te Tupuarangi.
Pea te wawata.
Ka pai. Nā. There are 4 types of food we need to gather. Rangi and Josh. You two get the koura and tuna as an offering to Waitā and Waiti. Our kumara is for Tupuanuku. Can you guys make sure it's prepared? Tahi, we will catch the kiriru for Tupuarangi.
Tau manu, taku tino.
Huh?
How about we try the cave again? Oh! Oh!
Rangi? Josh?
Huh?
Sabotaging a umu kohukohu on the cusp of Matariki.
What are these koura for?
It's an offering to Waitā.
Hey, hamar.
Well, they want to make sure there's heaps of crayfish for next year.
Oh, Rangi! Josh! I aha korua!
Iaha maua?
I found these floating down the creek.
Nah, man, we fixed those. We stacked them all safely away.
Well, not all of them, but we did most of them before we
I mua I te aha.
tried to open the cave portal.
I need to find a way home.
But you can't till we collect all the god sticks.
Kataya, we can. Toro's just been there.
Toro? What were you thinking? This mahi is important for the umu kohukohu.
It isn't just about the mahi, Josh. It's a time to honour the stars who will provide our bounty throughout the year.
There is a time for everything.
Exactly. And right now it's time to prepare for Te Umu Kohukohu.
We need you, Josh. We all need to give back to our environment. So where are the koura? And the rako and riverstones for the hangi pit?
Why am I stuck doing this? It's not like it was my fault the hinaki were destroyed. You think that'll be enough for the hangi pit? Huh? Whose are these prints? I knew it! I knew it wasn't my fault. It was you! You destroyed the hinaki and I got blamed. Oh, Kura shouldn't be making me do all the firewood for the umu kohukohu.
I love a good umu kohukohu. I remember Poraka Nui and I as boys collecting wood, setting the hinaki for big fat tuna.
But it wasn't me!
Don't focus on that, Josh. Ignore it.
So what should I focus on?
Don't forget about the intentions of your work here.
My intention is to go home.
Oh well. Send your wish to Hiwi Te Rangi then, Josh.
You don't understand.
Or is it you who doesn't understand?
Yeah, whatever.
At least you have people with whom to celebrate Matariki. I sadly lost that lifetimes ago.
Morena Toro, anei ngā koura.
What's the matter?
Toro, Josh has just been mucking around. All he's focused on is going home.
Let it go, Kura. You're doing great.
He toa no koe.
Yep, feet like lightning. Now why tēnei mahi? They better watch out.
It's got to be Moana Roa, sabotaging all our mahi.
Moana Roa? No, she wouldn't do that. She's a nut.
I knew those prints I saw didn't look quite human.
I think you should be careful blaming an atua.
Huh? Why are you destroying all our work?
No, no, no. You should be looking for someone who holds no love for the stars of Matariki. When we sight Matariki, we farewell our loved ones and learn of what the year will bring.
Huh?
Your friend Ruiha lost her papa this year. So this Matariki will be especially important as she farewells him as he goes with Pōhutu Kawa on Te Wakaorangi to take his place amongst the stars.
I didn't really think about what Matariki would mean to Ruiha.
Aye.
I don't really know what happened to my dad.
Ka aroha hoki ki a koe, Josh.
All the more reason to replenish the stars of Matariki and see what wonderful signs the year ahead might hold. Ne? See you both early at the Umu Kohu Kohu. And don't forget to check the last 2 hinaki.
I know it's you that's encouraging the Ponaturi.
Go away.
You are sabotaging the prep for the Umukohukohu.
Those Tamariki have no respect. I should have those god sticks.
Just you wait. Our tides will take more lands from those despicable descendants of Tāne.
Come with me, brother. This is not the way.
Kura! I know who's been wrecking all of our work.
Pora kanui! Pora turi!
Nā te pona turi I whakararu I ngā mahi whakarite.
Pora Kanui and the Ponaturi? Oh, they'll ruin the Umukohukohu.
Don't worry. We saw Reretor growling his brother. I don't think they'll be making any more trouble.
Put the tuna in the kai baskets.
Huh? It's okay. I think I get it now, Kura.
Oh, so you are glad you're still here.
Mostly.
Manawa maia, te ariki o te rangi. Manawa maia, te putanga o Matariki. Manawa maia, te mātahi o te taue.
Welcome the sacred stars of the sky. Welcome, Matariki. Rise, rise. Haumi e, hui e.
Kai kie.
Pōhutu kawa e, te kaikawe i ngā mate o te tau. Heere atu koutou e ngā mate. Heere, heere, hei whetū i te rangi.
Papa.
Haumi e, hui e.
Kai kie.
It's time to feed the stars. Josh, kōra kōrangi, tīkine te raurau kai mā ngā whetū. Kura, kōra kotai, tīkine te raurau kai mōraro.
Ko te hau tapu arita ki ta kai ngā Matariki. Hi au e hi.
It's time to send your wish to hiwa i te rangi.
Ngā mata o te ariki, tā piri mā te a. Ko Matariki Tarana kei wahatahi, rua, toru wha. Matariki, runga.
I am very proud of your work, Josh.
Oh, tēnā koe, Kura. My dad always said, there's a reason for everything.
Matariki, tā pua pua. Matariki, tā pua pua. Te peti tā pua te kau. Te ariki o te rangi e. Te mātahi o te tau e. Made with the support of NZ On Air.
Ko te reo, te take.